I am Adnan Riaz. I am a PhD student at the University of Queensland. I am a member of QAAFI Lab. We are a diverse group of people from all around the world. We conduct plant breeding and research across wheat and barley. Prior to modern plant breeding, farmers were the ones who performed the selection and retained seed of the most productive plants. However, intensive selection in wheat breeding programs over the past 100 years has led to a genetic bottleneck in modern bred wheat. What I mean by that is breeders have performed selection and that has resulted into loss of genetic diversity that could be potentially contributing to disease and drought resistance. So it is important for wheat to have genetic diversity to combat rapidly evolving pests and pathogens in order to build more resilient crops in the face of climate change. Fortunately, famous Russian scientist Nikolay Vavilov has devoted his life for the improvement of cereal crops. During the early 1900s, Vavilov and his colleagues traveled around the world and collected seeds which were stored in seed bank at Leningrad, now known as Vavilov Institute in St. Petersburg, Russia. This unique collection represents a snapshot of landraces or old wheats grown around the world prior to modern plant breeding. In collaboration with Russian scientists, we have tapped into the Vavilov vault by performing the first genetic characterization of wheat accessions from the Vavilov seed bank. We genotyped a panel of 295 wheats with more than 34,000 DNA markers. Our analysis revealed a massive array of genes that are absent in modern bred wheat. The collection likely harbors valuable sources of genetic diversity which are important for disease resistance as well as to cope with climate change. The QAAFI Lab aim is to allow research community to have open access to this valuable genetic resource where we have pure seed as well as DNA marker information. We hope that this will empower scientists and wheat breeders to rediscover the genetic diversity lying dormant in Vavilov seed bank.